Hi you guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am making one of my favorite Starbucks drinks. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. This drink was blowing up, I think around 2014, 2015. This drink was that girl. She has kind of faded over the years, but I'm inspired to bring her back. You can still actually get it on the menu, but why get it at Starbucks when we can make it at home? So today we are making the iced passion tea lemonade. Oh my gosh, the flavor, the refreshingness of it all, it was just everything. It was everything, and when I tell you, it could not be easier to make from home, it could not be easier. I am going on the record to say that this is probably the easiest drink I will ever make on this channel. 2 ingredients, literally no effort at all on your part. You can find the ingredients easy, and it's literally the exact same. Some of my recipes, it's a little bit harder to get that exact Starbucks taste, but because this recipe is so simple, it tastes just like the one from Starbucks, just like it. And after you find out this recipe, you will never want to go to Starbucks again. You can make it at home every single day, save you so much money, and just stay in the house. Like, yes, you don't need to go out. But before I get into this recipe, I have a super exciting announcement. I have been building this for the past few weeks for you guys, and I am so excited to announce it. So I am going to be starting my own Patreon page. Oh my gosh, this is everything. I will have the link right here, and I will leave it down below as well in the description box. But let me tell you guys what this is all about. So obviously my YouTube family is growing. I am so excited to see this channel growing. I love the family expanding. We welcome everyone here. So as my channel is growing, I really want to maintain that relationship I have with you guys, and Patreon is the perfect vehicle for that. I can just build a deeper relationship with you all over there, and you can really support my channel here. So obviously AdSense helps fund this channel, but AdSense, I won't even get into that. If you guys don't know, I am a full-time college student. I'm studying psychology. I'm currently a junior. Next year is my last year. So not only do I film videos for you guys, but I am a full-time student. I love it. It takes up a lot of my time, and I would love your support. So the best possible way you can support me on this journey, on this endeavor, is joining my Patreon. I'm so excited. I've been building this over the past few weeks, and I have the best tier names in the world. I'm very proud of myself. You need to be a part of this. So the first tier is at $3 a month, and you will be a barista boss. Yes. So for this tier, you are going to get my genuine thanks for supporting this channel. This is the tier that you need to join if you just want to be like, yes, Patrick, we love what you're doing. We want to support you. Yes. If that is your vibe, this is the tier for you. So at $3 a month, you are getting my genuine thanks. If you want to bump up a tier, you are going to be an iced coffee icon. Yes! So this one is going to be at $5 a month, and you are going to get a lot in this bundle. You are going to get exclusive content, behind the scenes pictures, behind the scenes footage. Yes! You are going to have full access to my locked feed. So while the tier below won't get this, you will have full access to this. All of the recipes that I'm going to be showing you guys, you're going to get as like printable documents. I am obsessed. Yes. And last but not least, you are supporting the continuation of my YouTube channel. Yay! And then the last tier, the platinum tier, the tier of all tiers. You are going to be a caffeine queen. Yes. Girl, these names are it. I'm obsessed. So with this tier, you are going to get all of the exclusive content, the printable recipes, all of the access to my locked feed. You're going to support my YouTube channel, and you are going to be featured in the end little credits of every single one of my videos. So at $10 a month, you are going to get all of this stuff. I am so excited. I am going to pop off on my Patreon. You guys are going to see me there every single day. I'm gonna post pictures, videos. One thing I love about Patreon is the poll feature. So I'm gonna post a poll of like what videos you guys wanna see, what drink recipes you wanna see, and you can have a direct voice in what I am going to do on this channel. I am so excited. We are going to build a little little bit of a family over there. So please, 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 if you can, please support me on Patreon. Become a barista boss, iced coffee icon, or caffeine queen. We would love to have you over there. Yes! The more patrons I get over there, the more time and energy I can spend into growing this channel. If you guys love seeing my videos every week and you really want to support me on this venture, please, please, please consider being a Patreon. I would love to have you over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Okay, so now we can get going on to the simplest recipe ever. Oh my gosh, iced passion tea lemonade. Let's go. When I told you guys that this was the easiest recipe in the world, I wasn't lying. What you're going to need is lemonade. You could totally make this yourself. I just like to buy it. And then you're also going to need a carton of the iced passion tea. This has the exact same flavor as the one from Starbucks. It is really amazing. So I was able to go to the store and pick up a carton of pre-made iced tea that is specifically meant for making drinks like this. But if you can't find this, Tazo, the brand that makes this, also sells this tea in like tea bags. So if you can't find this, just go ahead and pick up the tea bags, brew them, cool them, and you will end up with this. And this is actually a tea concentrate. So what we're gonna do is combine equal parts of this and equal parts of lemonade, and we will have our drink. Oh my gosh, so this is the drink I need when I can't be bothered with all the ingredients, techniques, all the steps. This is the drink for you if you don't have time or energy or anything for that. So let me break down the flavor profile of this drink for you. You're gonna get the tangy and sweet lemonade. That citrus flavor is gonna punch, yes. And then the passion tea is gonna give you hibiscus, orange peel, rose hips, passion fruit. It's the hibiscus for me. That is the prominent flavor in this tea. It is so, so good. And it combines perfectly with lemonade. Oh my gosh. I cannot imagine having this tea without lemonade. You can make this with just water and it's just gonna be an iced passion tea, but don't do that. Use the lemonade. It elevates this drink so, so much. I'm obsessed. So I guess let's just make this drink. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna make a cute little grande moment. So I'm gonna use 3/4 of a cup of this iced passion tea concentrate. Pour it into a measuring cup. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, and the color of this drink, it's everything. And you guys, this whole carton I think was like $4. This lemonade was like $2. You can make so many drinks for so little money. Starbucks is shaking. You know the iced passion tea lemonade there is like $4 per lemonade. No, we can make a ton for so much cheaper. And then like I said earlier, it's equal parts tea and lemonade. So I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup of lemonade as well. Pour it in here. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just gonna take a little whisk and whisk the tea into the lemonade so it is one liquid. And now we can pour this over ice and try our drink. And here's a little bit of a life hack for you guys. If you really want that authentic Starbucks vibe, literally go pick up a Starbucks cup and just use it for your own drinks. That will really just psychologically make you think this is from Starbucks. And I need that in my life. So I'm gonna fill this up with the ice and I'll be right back. And this is another thing I love about making Starbucks drinks from home. You can control how much ice you put in your drink. Even though I put light ice on a lot of my Starbucks drinks, there is still a ton of ice in there. And less ice means more drink. So I like less ice. And at home, I can actually put less ice. That hurt my brain. Okay, so I have my ice in here and now I can go ahead and give this one last whisk and pour this mixture into our cup. Okay, now I can just pop on my lid. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is finally getting warm outside where I live. I'm obsessed, but that also means I need cool and refreshing drinks to cool me down, to keep the heat away. Keep it at a distance. We're all about social distancing here. And this is the perfect drink for that. The refreshing lemon, the refreshing tea. It's the ultimate refresher that's not a refresher. So let's see how this tastes. I forgot how much I need this drink in my life. I don't think there are two ingredients that complement each other so well than lemonade and passion tea. Oh my gosh. You get that tanginess and that acidity from the lemonade, and then the tea comes in and provides that floral flavor, that fruity flavor. This drink is that perfect balance between tangy and sweet. It's not too tangy and it's not too sweet. I am obsessed. Oh my god. Oh yes, this is actually everything. Actually everything. This drink is probably the most nostalgic drink for me when it comes to Starbucks. It's probably the first drink I like fell in love with in its height. It's just so iconic. Oh my god. If you guys are obsessed with this drink as much as I am, you have to try this recipe. I will leave all of the 2 ingredients listed down below. Oh my gosh. You guys have to try this out. If you love this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to support the continuation of this channel, please consider being a patron. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm saying that right now. Oh my gosh. Hop over to my Patreon and join a tier there. Yes. I'm so excited. This is really going to pop off. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm at pmeyer01, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.